Hey creative people, if you guys want a DIY project for your garage door, here's an idea. Creating some wood texture with some wrought iron accessories. So I have this client that has been my client for over 15 years. I've done a lot of artwork for him, murals, scrolls, lettering, and he called me to do this one here. And this door was aluminum. It's towards the back. He's got two garage doors, and he wanted this one to mimic the front garage door. And here it is. Here's the front door, and then the one that we did was way in the back. And then this is what it looked like, and this is what he wanted me to mimic. And here's my awesome helper. This is Charles, primering the garage door that I'm gonna do a wood faux finish on. We're gonna put probably 2 coats of primer and 2 coats of the base. And say hi to the camera.
Okay, here we go. El Jefe wants me to videotape starting up, setting up. No ladders here to start with. We'll do the bottom first. And then we'll have the ladders and do the rest of it. Over there. So, here you go. Here you go, El Jefe. Oh, it looks pretty good.
So the garage door was 11 foot tall by 10 foot wide, and this is the paint that we used. It's industrial paint. You can pick this up at Sherwin-Williams, and you can pick up the primer there too. I needed 2 colors, and they gave me some tint for the black so I can darken the second medium. Unfortunately, they don't sell by the quarts. I had to get a gallon for the artwork, and then tint some of it up with the tint that they gave me. And so I'm just finishing up right here, and then it is time to take a break. And so there's my little area that I was working on. It was real nice because it was nice and shady all day long, and you can just see that little bit of sun crack there. And so yeah, it was very pleasant. The man has music all the time, and so yeah, awesome doing work for this man. And so here I am driving to get some lunch at Tacos La Villa with some delicious quesadilla. Oh my goodness, so delicious. If you haven't tried it, you gotta go. But there it is. There's a finished product. All right, guys. Well, I hope that you guys tackle it sometime. It's not too bad. Okay, we'll catch you on the next one.